Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. If you're hopping on, say hi. And today I thought I seriously wouldn't get ready because it was like raining all night, and we had a what is it, like a plumber coming in today morning. So I was in a dilemma whether to get ready or not because he was on time for like 9 o'clock to be here, but unfortunately his what is it, like his truck did not get started, so he didn't come. Then I thought, okay, why not, I missed the chance, let me get ready. So I know it was still raining outside. I know my husband is going to, after this pandemic, for sure he'll be like either he will just through his phone, or he's not going to take any of my pictures, because every Friday I will be like, can you take my picture? So, and I need to schedule it before his what is it, like his meeting starts. So today I kept everything like a matte look, and then after I went in the rain to take the pictures. So that is one thing I don't have to worry about, because anyway Sanajan's makeup is water resistant and smudge resistant. So even if I'm diving into a pool, which I'm not because I'm not a swimmer, but still I'm saying, so even if I go underneath, it's still going to look the same. And today luckily I wore the waterproof mascara. It is not a planned one, but it happened that that's the one I grabbed. So, and I finally even opened my black pencil, because as I said, sometimes I keep missing the pencils. I have my all my eye look things upstairs, because mostly I finish the eye look there, or if I'm planning to do one, I will bring only the few things which I'm doing, or once I'm getting ready I will bring those colors which I have used so that I can share. And if you're hopping on, say hi. And how is the weather in your place? It's going to rain for us for 1 week, which I really hate, because now with Cloudy we are doing the potty training. He tries to ring the bell on and off, and it's like if we don't take it, then he doesn't know what the bell's purpose is, so we need to get him out. But at the same time, since he's a very small puppy and the grass is like these days they don't mow much and all, so it's like it's obviously he gets wet every time. Like that too, he will do once in an hour, or even less than that. Sometimes he might have just gone out and came back, but still he likes to ring the bell, because he knows that we will take him out. So he will be ringing it constantly, so it's a pain sometimes. But we have one or the other, we will take him out for his potty. But so I hate when it's raining, and it's been like yesterday and all, we had even thunderstorm. Like glad that it was not on what is it, like late night, but during day itself it was there. And if you come to my look for today, it's a very simple sari. So what I did is I did my 5-minute quick smoky eye, which is my favorite look. I think I have I don't remember whether I think I did once. I'm not sure whether I recorded it. I know for sure I have done it. So I kept everything matte look, including my blush to my lips. Everything is like a matte look, because to complement the what is it, like the cotton, I wanted it to say in that way. So what I have used is, I think I didn't bring it again. So I used the black pencil, so I'm forced to open one new one, so I didn't have a choice. So I used the black pencil, and I have used Onyx to smoke out closer to the lash line. You can use either way. You can just go ahead with just using Onyx Shadow Sense for this look and skip the pencil. You will be able to use any Shadow Sense color in your both upper and lower waterline. So you can do that, or you can just carry on with the pencil. If you have the black or black brown pencil, you will be able to do the same look without for example, if you are not a liner person, still you want to do a smoky look, you can still do it with the black pencil itself. So either way it works. And if you see, this is a trick I keep sharing. If you are having any of, whether it's lip sense, whether it's what is it, like shadow sense, what it does is, if you see, this is a tube, you can see there is a stopper here which is closer to the ring. Using a jump layer you will be able to pull it out. I will show my black. The black doesn't have it. So what it does is, if you see, it doesn't have that because I pulled it out. Once you are coming to the end, you can take that out. The only difference is, you can see it will be like tons of products in there. So, and you cannot carry it because it doesn't have that tight seal here. So that will be the only thing. If you can keep replacing it, like do it again and again. For me, I'm not traveling anyway, so what I do is I just take it out, and you will have tons of products left out once you take the stopper out, because once you take the stopper, the wand can reach till the end. That way there is so much product left underneath, and this applies for any of the products, like whether, let me show you the lip sense. I don't know whether I have lip sense, but it is there for the gloss too, or the remover, any one. It is the same thing. Like I can show you here, you will be able to see. Do you see, everything has like a airtight stopper which you can pull it to use till the last bit of it. So don't waste the product. Make sure you take out the stopper and using it. Hi Farah, good morning. Thank you so much. So today, Farah, you might be knowing it is like raining, and I still got ready and took the picture in the what is it, like rain. My husband was like, "You are getting crazy every day to go and stand in the rain." I was like, I'm sure that's okay. I can dry my hair a bit, and then I took a picture. Hi Tanya, thank you so much, Tanya. Thank you for hopping on. So this 5-minute quick look is very, very simple. What you do is, you do, as I said, first I lined it with black, and then I used the little bit of onyx to smoke out. Then you can pick any browns you have, like whether it can be garnet, whether it can be rustic brown, it can be of anything. Here I have used garnet, French roast. So you will use it till the crease from the black. So that's the next color I have used. It's like a ombre look, like how we did ombre lip look yesterday. So here it is like a ombre eye look. So we used black, then the brown, and on the crease I have used Americano. You can use rust too. So it is like any color that is closer to your skin tone. So I have used that, and that's the one I have used to smoke out actually. So that's the eye look actually. And then I have used, as I said, luckily I used the primer and waterproof mascara for today. You can see how much it gives the lashes thickness, and also I want you to see this way. I know it's a very awkward position, but being an Asian, this is the only way you can see my curled lashes, and I don't like to use any false lashes, and basically I don't know to use. Thank you, Farah. Thank you so much. I think I should thank Ram, because I will definitely miss him, because nobody will be there to take my pictures on my Friday get ready. I need to either move it to Saturday. I don't know. Let's see when it happens. So, and for my lip looks, since everybody loved, because I had a very big dilemma to use blackberry yesterday, because I wasn't sure whether everyone loves it, but since it was like so much, I used the crimson, because whenever you do something like this, you want it to, or to say like cohesive of each other. So here I have used cherry as my blush. That's again what is it, like matte blush color. You can even use red, or you can use bandana shimmer, something like that, like which ties up all the looks together. So that's the one. And in fact I don't even have any pearlizer or anything, but with the ring light I think my skin reflects actually. So today I didn't do any highlighter, because as I said, I wanted to keep it matte. So that's the one. And I was waiting to use this necklace, so today I used that. This is one, because this is more of what is like traditional South cotton sari. One of my friend who loves elephants is going to come and see this. She is very fond of having elephants in any part of jewelry or dress. So when I was wearing it, I remembered her. And I wore a matching pearl bangles to coordinate with that. I know many of you will be asking, like, I didn't use a bigger jewelry. This is from Abharna actually, because as I said, some jewelry and all I will be like waiting and debating to grab, and once I grab at another, it will take another 2 months for me to incorporate in a look. This is a look I did, what's it like, I did wait to create it, and I'm glad. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you so much. It means a lot when you guys take time to come and hop on the live, because I know I usually do the lives little early. As I said, I like to take only the pictures when the sunlight is there. So being in NC, we if it is spring or summer, our sunrise is so early actually. So I like it to be before 10 or even 10:30. That's when you get that perfect light, because you have to either do the natural pictures at that time or at the sunset. I am not a sunset person, to be frank. I will get ready for some days, but still evenings are much crazier because school will be over, like after school classes will be there, and so I don't get to sit that time, because previously I used to be the carpool person, so I have to be in line around that time, and after NC weather I'll be all tanned and I'll be drained at all. So that's why I plan all my looks in the morning, and that way none of my pictures will be with filters, none of the pictures will be either the sari pictures or anything. I don't post process it much. I would, unless it is like just to brighten for the days like this when the picture doesn't have light or it has little bit of shadow, because I want you to see the real color. And I have said it 1,000 times too, I am not a professional makeup person. I am not a professional influencer kind. So I want you to consider me as your girl next door and mom next door. And that's why today even I did this quick 5-minute smoky eye. I know smoky eye is one that people will be little scared to try, but these are like very, very quick one you can try, and it will go absolutely stunner with any look, whether it's western or whether it's a sari. Hi Veena, good morning. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for hopping on. It makes my day. Or else it's like you talk to the phone by yourself. My husband always asks me whenever I hop on a live, will you be back by 15 minutes? I'll be like, yeah, I'll try. But then once I start, I'll be like going on and on. So that's the one. And as I said, I did lips with crimson because I know many of you liked it. So crimson with matte gloss is this. This is how it looks. Yesterday we did blackberry crimson with glossy gloss. This is with matte gloss because of the matte eye look. So for example, if you wanted to make it more glossier, you can always top it with the colored tinted gloss. I think, yeah, this one is Red Delicious. You have tons of red gloss. Let me just show you just at bottom alone, that way you can see the difference. So this is how it's going to turn. Do you see the matte look and do you see the glossy look? So having a colored gloss is always your preference. Basically you can do with any color, any gloss. There is no right or wrong combination. And actually yesterday me and Bhavna were like having all combinations of colors to do the the ombre lip look. It doesn't have to be with black. I think Veena, you have the espresso. Juhi asked me to even create ombre look with espresso. So if you need to have any ideas, show me the pictures of the colors you have. I will map it how you can try the ombre technique. It doesn't have to be the exact shades. It's basically one lighter shade with one darker shade. That's all it matters. For example, like this kind, like you need a darker shade to outline, and you will do a lighter shade to just fill it in. Like for example, if you take espresso as this one, you can do Bella as the filler, something like that. Like even if you have two pinks, like for example, purple rain and sugar plum, that's a combo many of you had. So you can outline with purple rain and fill it in with sugar plum. So there are like tons of combinations you can do with whatever colors you have. It doesn't have to be the exact colors I do. And thank you so much for whoever bought so far. Out of 9, I have sold 6, which I'm so happy about. And I just have 3, and still I have 3 more days to go. So I'm so positive that I will win this one too. And so thank you so much for whoever helped on. I just have to cover about one thing. I know when people bought, they can buy in both ways. Something it's called CDO, which is like a customer direct order, where you don't have to register as a preferred customer and you can still buy from my online website. The second thing is, thank you Farah, thank you so much. That's what, like, I'm still hopeful. I need 3 more, but I'm hopeful because I have 3 more days to go, and all the packages are already on its way with the samples. And people have told me once they try the samples, if they like it, because I have included them the like the pearl laser sample, the foundation or CCTM sample, those and all is like eyes closed you can buy and you will enjoy. You can buy just a CCTM, 1 gloss and 1 pearl laser, something like that. You are already $100 over. And you can even pick 4 different colors. The Amore collection with the eyeshadow collection, you will be done for $100. Think many of you, they said, this is my Valentine's Day gift, I bought it for myself. So that was really sweet actually. And what else? Like that day I was showing, like you can buy even a resurfacer and a gold mask. You are set for like your own facial for a year. Like you will enjoy those products, like a detox mask. If you are suffering from maskne, you can buy like the facial resurfacer, the body wash, like a cleanser. Like you can customize your own things to come to the $100, and you will get the silk for free, which is a very amazing offer. If you miss it, you will really regret it after this, because this is one of the best offers so far. I have never seen a $60 free. Hi Kusuma, thank you so much for all the hearts. Thank you dear. And so it is like a $60 worth of products. So when you register as Kiss and Tell, think of this way, because you are anyway placing a $100 order. If you are doing it just CDO, you are paying a $600. But with Kiss and Tell, you are going to pay $10 registration fee, but you are getting a 10% off. Thank you Kusuma, thank you so much. So you are going to get the 10% off for 1 whole year and free shipping. So you are not going to lose anything, because with the $100 you pay $10, but the $10 gets reduced in this order itself. Hi Mansa, thank you so much. I was just telling how you grabbed everything and said like it's a Valentine's Day gift. So it's like you are not going to lose anything in this by registering Kiss and Tell, because you are going to instead save throughout for the day. From the day you are registering, you are going to save 10% for 1 whole year. So and they are going to have specific promotions like this for Kiss and Tell customers, which I will not be able to give, because this is a promotion that is given by Senegal. And the only difference is I will get to know only on the same day as the customers get to know. So there is no way I can say, okay, next week this promotion is getting ended by 14th, and there is going to be another promotion that's coming on 25th. I don't have any way of knowing it. Only I can post it on the day it comes. Sometimes it will be a 1-day sale, sometimes it will be a 1-month sale, sometimes it will be like this where it is like a specific period of time with a specific goal. And also I always try to post as soon as I know, and I can always post suggestions. For example, if you come and say, like, that's why I always ask my customers to show me the last cart. That way I can confirm that they have added like a things that is really good, and also that can complement each other. For example, if you are picking an eye look or a lip look, I will always suggest, okay, you have picked this one, if you just add one more, your cart is going to change, something like that. Yeah, thank you, Mansa. That really helped. That's what, like, I'm 6 down and just 3 more to go. I'm hopeful I will win this challenge too. It's a really fun to challenge myself and do. Anyway, as I said, I'm going to share things and do. But when a deal like this comes up, I don't want anyone to miss it, because silk can be used anytime. Even today, I have used it underneath. Today, I just have CCTM. I don't even have makeup. I mean, see, not makeup, I don't even have foundation on. Foundation is a heavier coverage. Today I just have CCTM. That's what I have. I did my color correction. I know Mansa did. Yes, Kusma. I'm waiting for your live today evening. We all will be there. So that is the thing. So don't miss the sale. If you're been having some wish list, please do share with me. For example, whether you want to start with your skincare, whether you want to have something like a spa item, or even a heel and elbow cream. Think of that. If you are someone who suffers with a cracked heel or something, you can do that. Or I know many of you were looking for the hair care post, then this is a very good time for you to grab that. And if you're a customer who always buys the skincare, then you can anyway stock up, because you are going to pay the same, but at the same time you're getting a $60 worth of products. So that's the thing. And anything else I'm missing? I think I pretty much covered everything. And as I said, every package was done. The packages I am yet to do is only for few of you. I have said I will be sending out the samples, so that's the one thing I'm missing. I'm yet to send Anu's package from the giveaway, and I'm doing this one. Okay, I remembered what I have to cover. Okay. What I'm going to post today is I'm going to post my page. As you all know, I have a Facebook page and I have a Facebook group. The Facebook group is a private group, whereas my Facebook page is a public page. So I know many of you have already written reviews in it, but I'm going to place again a giveaway where you can if you have already done, you are still part of it, you can come back and say, I'm going to link the page, because I know always many of you get confused which is the page and which is the group. So you can write a review. If you can, please do it from the laptop. That way you can, you can write a review, at the same time you can give the stars too. So you don't have to post your picture at all. It is just a review. You can even post, for example, you can just post a picture of the product you are using, or if you are okay, then you can post your picture, or you can write as it is. No compulsion. If you have already done it, so happy, you can come back and say done. You can just be entered into the contest. And if you have never bought from me, I'm still okay. You can still write what is in your wish list, what you want to buy in the future, or what is the one thing you like about being in the group or something, or being about here or watching something. So I think I have covered everybody, so that way everyone can participate, and I'm going to really pick one thing that can work for everybody. That way everybody is happy. So that is one thing I'm going to post. I wanted to say it on Wednesday itself, somehow I missed it, so today I will make sure I post that one. And what else? So that's all. So you don't have to if you already done, you can always say done. If you haven't, you can use the chance and post it and get it to be part of the raffle. And if you haven't bought anything from me, you can still participate. You can just write your wish list, or you can say what you like or what you don't like. I'm always open to suggestions, and if you have any ideas, please anytime post to me. I'll be happy to do. and I can always do a video call. I know we have grew almost 100 people, and now we have 400 in the group. Anytime when you want like a video call for a color correction, whether you want to foundation match or to get the skincare customization, anything and everything, I am happy to help. I'm here to do a video call, or you can send me a picture. All those stuff we can do. Yeah, I think I pretty much covered everything. Have a wonderful day, guys. Enjoy your weekend. I know it's pretty cold most of the places, so stay safe. I hope we our chances of this rain gets slower and slower, and it just goes away. Seriously, I hate this rain. I can't, what is it, like I need my sunlight seriously to just to go for a walk or do something. And hi Bhavna, thank you so much. Thank you Mansa. Most of these sarees are like been just lying in my mom's house for so long since my trip got cancelled, and now that they all came, it still took me so long for me to just what is it, like stitch the blouse here and then wear it. Like this is one type I used to wear when I was working, when I was as a fresher, when I was working when in Virtusa. So it's very close to my heart, this kind of a sari, like because it's easy to carry the whole day, and you won't feel a thing. So that is it. Thank you, Veena. Nothing like that, Veena. These are like, I think 1,000 rupees to 1,000 rupees. That's it. Like, I mean, I sometimes it's for me. I think whoever talks to me, I have told them many times, I'm such a lazy shopper. If I like something, I'll buy and move on. That's it. I'll be like, I don't even concentrate too much to think about it. That is how much I pick, and I don't look for like whether I have this color, whether I have that shade, whether I have this. But slowly I'm trying to learn from each other. Yeah. You want it, Manasa? I will get you one. This is such a, what is it, like easy sari to wear actually, because it is so lightweight and it's a cotton. Being in NC, I think cotton is the best you can wear. Yeah, that's what, like, I mean, these days at least I'm getting little variety. Yeah, that's what I was saying, Bhavna. Even Cubby is obsessed with the elephant print. This has elephant and I think peacocks, both. Yeah, it has both. And so it was like now at least I'm trying to grab different varieties. When I switched from Facebook to Instagram, I randomly used to buy. Hi Juvi. Yes, it's the combo I was waiting to try. So I wore this, and the eye look was like a very matte eye look with matte lip looks. That's what I did for today, and it's just CCTM, not even foundation for today. It's a very simple look because I know it was raining and gloomy, and I don't want to be like too much to do. So I did very simple one today, and actually this week is a pretty packed week. Next week is my son's birthday, so it is like he has a big long list of things he wanted me to do. So I think I have, and today evening I have friends coming over tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, I think we all have like a teacher's family and all. I think I'm used to seeing my mom, my sister-in-law, or even my mother-in-law. Everybody, they all have like tons of cotton sarees, because that always, that crisp will give you what is it, like a thank you, Mansa. Like I am a very big bangle lover. This is from Jasleen, and this is from Abarn actually. So since it had pearls, I first wanted to match it with a different one. Then I thought, okay, I have a pearl bangle now, so why not match it with that? So that's the one. So a cotton saree always gives that crispness, and also it feels like majestic sometimes, like without doing much. It has its own beauty. It stays in place, and it's breathable and all those stuff. So that's the one. So thank you so much for whoever hopped on. I know you all are busy working person, or even a busy mom. I know Bhavna has a toddler sleeping in, and she still hops on from West Coast, which is like just 6.5 for you, Bhavna. Go back to sleep. So have a wonderful day, guys, and I will post the whole look and also with the makeup details. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon, and make me win. So if you haven't grabbed, make sure you grab the $100 kiss and tell order, and let's see whether we reach the what is it like we'll reach the final run. You are sweet for hopping on, and I know everybody will be in their meetings and they are still hopping on. I will be the person who is saying hi to all their meeting and managers and all. Hi Shailaja, thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for all the hearts. Thank you so much, dear. Have a wonderful day.